How to return an item on Shopee. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can return an item on Shopee. For this, open the Shopee app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, over here you have the My Purchase option. You simply want to tap on the View Purchase History option. Here you will find different tabs. Head over to the one that says completed. You're going to find all of the items over here that you have already received. Now, before you return an item, ensure that the item is eligible for a return based on Shopee's return policy or the seller's return terms. Shopee Mall product typically have 15-day return policy, while other sellers may offer different terms. Now, what you want to do is find the order you want to return and tap on it to open the order details. Now you want to click on the return/refund option. After that, the process will begin. Now the Shopee will ask for reason why you want to return the item. You want to choose any option which is appropriate, such as defective or damaged items, or wrong items received, or any other valid reasons based on the condition of the product. After that, you want to wait for the seller or Shopee approval. Once you submit the return request, the seller or Shopee will review your request. You will be notified if the return request is approved. Once it has been approved, you want to ensure that the item is securely packed in its original packaging. Then you want to drop off the package at the designated courier or shipping partner listed in the return instructions. Keep track of the return shipping process via Shopee. Then, once the seller receives the return item and confirms that everything is in order, Shopee will process your refund. The refund will be issued based on your original payment method. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.